Hello and welcome back to Kuki Decor. Rustic wood crafts have a way of adding warmth, charm, and personality to any space. And in this video, Kuki Decor is excited to take you on a creative journey where we transform simple pieces of wood into breathtaking home decor that speaks of craftsmanship and timeless beauty. Whether you're working with reclaimed timber, driftwood, scrap planks, or even old furniture pieces that have seen better days, the possibilities are endless when you know how to bring out the natural character and texture of wood. We'll begin by exploring the unique appeal of rustic decor. Its imperfections, knots, and grain patterns are what make it so special, turning each project into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece that tells a story. You'll discover ideas for living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and even outdoor spaces, each designed to fit seamlessly into any style, whether it's farmhouse cozy, bohemian chic, industrial modern, or country classic. Imagine crafting a reclaimed wood wall art piece that becomes the focal point of your living room, or a set of rustic floating shelves that not only add storage, but also highlight the warm tones of aged wood. Perhaps you'll be inspired by our wooden candle holders, pallet coffee tables, or tree slice serving boards, each one simple to make yet incredibly impactful in transforming your home's atmosphere. The beauty of these projects lies not only in their visual charm, but also in their sustainability. By using reclaimed or scrap wood, you're giving new life to materials that might otherwise go to waste, reducing your environmental footprint while filling your home with handcrafted treasures. And before we dive too deep into the magic of these DIY projects, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Kuki Decor, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our daily inspirations for home decor lovers like you. It's free, quick, and the best way to keep our creative community growing. Now, as we continue, let's look at how you can start with small, manageable projects that require minimal tools and experience. For beginners, we recommend simple items like rustic picture frames, wood slice coasters, or small planter boxes. These can be done in a weekend and will instantly add a cozy, handmade feel to your space. More experienced crafters might take on larger projects, such as a farmhouse-style dining table, a reclaimed wood headboard, or even a custom barn door for that bold statement piece. No matter your skill level, the key to great rustic woodwork is embracing the natural flaws in the wood. Don't sand them away entirely, but rather highlight them with the right stains or finishes that bring out depth and richness. Consider mixing rustic wood with other elements like metal brackets, rope, or glass for a creative twist that keeps your designs fresh and modern. As you watch, take note of the tips we share on sourcing affordable materials, from visiting local sawmills and flea markets to reclaiming old pallets and dismantled furniture. You'll also learn finishing techniques such as distressing, whitewashing, and layering stains to achieve that perfect rustic patina. And here's a fun fact: many of these rustic projects can double as profitable crafts if you decide to sell them at local markets or online, meaning your hobby could become a side business. Speaking of inspiration, if you're enjoying this video so far and want to support our work here at Kuki Decor, this is the perfect moment to pause. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends who love home decor, and drop a comment below telling us which rustic wood project has inspired you the most so far. We love hearing your ideas, and your feedback helps us create even better content for you. Now, let's continue with some seasonal ideas, rustic wood crafts are perfect for year-round decor, but they truly shine during holidays and special occasions. In winter, you can create reclaimed wood Christmas ornaments, rustic candle lanterns, or wooden advent calendars. In spring, think of planter boxes, floral wreath bases, and garden benches. Summer calls for picnic tables, outdoor bar carts, and DIY wooden swings, while autumn invites you to make harvest centerpieces, rustic trays, and pumpkin-themed signs. Each season provides a fresh reason to get creative, and the projects we are sharing today can easily be adapted to fit your preferred style and seasonal decor themes. Along the way, we'll also cover essential safety tips for working with wood, from wearing protective gear to handling tools correctly, because beautiful results start with safe, confident crafting. The magic of rustic decor is that it can be as polished or as raw as you like. Some people prefer a more refined farmhouse look with smooth finishes and precise lines, while others embrace the rugged, weathered aesthetic that comes straight from nature. We encourage you to experiment, mixing stains, trying new joinery techniques, or incorporating hand-carved details can give your projects that personal touch that truly makes them your own. Remember, there's no such thing as too rustic when it comes to creating with passion and intention. Whether you are making something purely decorative or building functional furniture, each project is an opportunity to infuse your home with warmth, comfort, and a reflection of your personality. And when friends or family visit, they'll not only admire the beauty of your rustic creations, but also appreciate the story and effort behind each piece. As we wrap up this creative session, we hope you've found plenty of ideas to spark your imagination and motivate you to pick up those tools and start crafting. Rustic wood projects are more than just decor. They are about preserving the beauty of nature, honoring traditional craftsmanship, and creating pieces that last for years to come. If this video has inspired you, we'd love for you to join our growing Kuki Decor community by subscribing right now, clicking that notification bell, and becoming part of a space where creativity thrives. That way, you'll never miss our next batch of rustic, farmhouse, and DIY decor ideas. Thank you so much for watching, for sharing your time with us, and for keeping the art of handmade design alive. Until next time, happy crafting, and may your home always be filled with the rustic beauty you create with your own hands.